1256. 1256, 1937, number 867 fast. We're 867, 1937.
Smoky 3 Seattle, we might have a pretty quick one here. Another motorcycle, if anybody's available, southbound from 84th or 85th.
69830.
694, 405, and 520.
Smoky 3, go ahead, the speed.
107 and crossing the double yellow, he's in the HOV lane. And I'll let you know when we start getting closer to 520. Quarter mile to 520.
619 over.
Far left HOV lane.
619.
Looks like the rider's in red. The motorcycle's got red wheels.
A small stick, not a hazard. I'm clear.
619, 1930.
Okay, 658.
Going over 520.
Going over 520 now, we're still about 100.
Okay, 200, going over 520. Next minute.
Well, let's just go. Correctional location right now is 15th Avenue Northeast, just north of Northeast 145th Street. So I'm going to need one tow for the wish that I gave you. We're just going through Bellevue now. Is that unit southbound still?
694, I'm at Northeast East.
Good, motorcycles use all lanes to pass. Yes, Alpha 13 southbound. Alpha 13 southbound 948.
Southeast 8, no visual yet.
Just quarter mile. Sorry, quarter mile from I-90 right now. Still in the HOV lane, he's using all lanes to pass, we just slow down. Anything I-90 now, southbound.
694, approaching.
Split between two cars. Still southbound. I'll get you across street here in a second. Going over Old Creek Parkway.
Oh! Oh!
We're going over under Washington Boulevard now. Going over between lanes.
694, 7374, Cold Creek, 7 Cold Creek.
477, I'll be doing 942.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Looks like we're going to be cycling here to 30th Street.
694 and 737 approaching. 737 approaching.
Making a right turn on the North 30th Street.
694.
Pulling into a gas station here.
694. 694.
To the Chevron station there off the Northeast 30th and off ramp.
694. 737. Leeway clear about 10 seconds.
People to the Chevron Northeast 30th, 1954.
Make that left, he's under the pump.
Go ahead and stop
Coming
right
up on your right there, he does that. There.
Stop. Give me your license and registration.
Okay.
Any weapons on you?
No. Hey, whoa. What the fuck did I do, man?
Relax.
I didn't do shit.
Relax. I plane watching you this whole time.
That's
relax,
what
dude. Relax. Just stop. Open your feet. Open your feet. I know. You're good. Open your feet.
So then
I just want to make sure you don't have any weapons.
arming me, man.
I just don't want to know.
I don't have any weapons. I have no ill will, no ill intent. I'm not doing shit.
Okay. Just relax your hands for me.
Okay, I'm relaxed.
Okay.
Like, you guys are sitting here
You're
strong arming me like I'm a fucking...
Well, you're under arrest.
Something wrong, man.
You're under arrest.
For what?
For reckless driving.
Reckless driving?
We have an airplane been watching the whole time,
What
man.
are you talking about?
It's right up there. See it?
You got the wrong guy.
Relax your hands.
You got the wrong guy, my friend.
I hope so. Well,
My keys are in that hand. That's why
there
I'm
you
not
go.
opening.
You're good.
Okay.
All right.
Yep.
All right. You said no weapons, right? We're good now, man. Good.
Okay, I
Being
mean,
recorded,
okay.
okay?
Can I turn around and talk to you guys?
Yeah, absolutely. But let me read your rights real quick,
What the
okay?
fuck's the deal?
Can I read your rights first, just to be fair to you?
I already know my rights.
Well, I'm going to read them anyway, because I got to do my job, okay? Okay. So I got to read your rights anyway. Okay? I got a little card. You can read along with me. On card. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right this time.
Say hand will be used against me in the court of law. I have the right to an attorney. Da-da-da-da-da. I know the whole thing, man.
Cool. I still have to say it. Do my job.
I didn't do anything wrong. What
Okay.
the fuck are you guys...
You understand you have the right to remain silent, the right to an attorney? Okay. So you're under arrest for reckless driving. Man, you're cutting in and out of traffic. The airplane's watching you. Right up there.
I don't know what the fuck you guys are talking about. I'm fucking going down the road.
Well, here's the good news. It's on video, okay? So we're not trying to trick you, man. We care about you. You ride the motorcycle all the time. We don't want to see you on the
Cool, I've been riding
freeway.
fucking over 25 years, man. You ain't gonna tell me about
All right. So you're under arrest for reckless driving, okay? Just going to be straight with you on that. Do you have your ID on you?
I do have mine.
Okay. Everything come out of your pockets. You can go to full base and stay with you the whole time.
Okay. Am I going to jail or probably?
So we'll sit tight
For what?
on that. I just told you reckless driving.
I know,
You can't
but
drive
that's not a jailable offense.
Okay, well, we'll talk about
I
that in a
didn't do
minute.
shit. I'm not doing nothing.
Just relax. No drugs or weapons on you?
No.
Cool. Yeah, I'm just going to put all your money and stuff in this bag and stay with you.
Man, this is some bullshit, man.
Now,
Coming here to get gas, and you motherfuckers are harassing me.
now, that's not the case. Like I said, our airplane's up there. We're tracking you the whole time. You sure I can't read your whole rights?
Yeah,
Without you
I'm
interrupting
talking, man. I know my rights.
You understand you have the right to an attorney and the right to remain silent?
Yep.
Okay.
I didn't do nothing
Okay.
to nobody.
All right.
Where's the victim? Who's the victim?
Well, I'm glad it wasn't you, man. I'm glad nobody got hurt.
What are you talking about? Doing what?
How fast were you going today?
I wasn't going fast.
If you had to say, how fast would you, if you had to guess?
I was not doing nothing.
Can you let's transform me a little bit? Just a little bit?
I'm running up on you. Don't even. How did that shit?
All right, cool.
I don't care. is my fucking person.
Well, that's okay. You don't have to, because you're under arrest. We're in search yet. Reckless driving, like we just talked about.
That's a bullshit charge.
No, it's not.
That's not even a jailable offense.
It is. It is.
You're going to take me to jail over
well, man,
heavy shit.
you can't be going like that on the freeway.
Going like that? That's my phone.
I know. I think that's coming out of your pockets, man. It's nothing personal.
Why?
Because you're under arrest, dude.
For what? Like, I don't get that shit.
All right.
Who saw me doing anything?
You hear that airplane that's right above us right now?
I don't see no airplane nowhere, man.
It's all recorded, man.
That's great. Well, I'll see you guys in court.
That's cool. That's cool. All right. Is your wallet in here? Here. Oh, that's cool.
There it is.
Yeah, see right behind me?
That's great. I don't really care. I wasn't doing nothing wrong.
Well, good. It'll all be proven. It'll all be proven. Where's your wallet at, man? See it. Probably in the bag. Is it still in the bag? Take your helmet off for you? Is it strapped on still?
Take your cuffs off for me.
Well, the cuffs are staying on, man. You're under arrest, so.
Okay, so you're going to let me go?
No.
Why not?
Because you're under arrest.
What's up with my bike?
Well, we'll talk about that in a second. You have somebody come pick it up?
No, I don't have anybody come pick it up. Can I use my phone to make a call?
Not right now, man. Hold on. One thing at a time, bro.
Oh, my God, man.
One thing at a time, bro. Sorry, man. I'm trying not to pinch you here.
Got it.
Okay. There you go. Take that off for you. Oops.
I mean, you got... Whoa, damn,
sorry.
man. You trying to rip my head off or what?
There you go. Is that okay? All right.
It's not easy to pull off.
Sorry, man. All right.
Probably easier for you.
All right. Well, we just don't want to see anybody get killed, man.
Even if, and I did not do anything. Because this is bullshit. I got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cops going up on me for no reason.
Not doing anything wrong. You got that little plate looking thing?
No. I got a fiction ticket for that because my fucking, I'm trying to pull it in. Because the bracket on it is broken, so I have to tie it up.
This is on his person, so search it.
I understand.
This is on his person at the time of arrest, so that's why we're going through the bag. Alright. Smoke any weed today? Any weed today? No. Nothing at all? No. Any alcohol? No. No weapons in here, right?
No.
Cool. Is your wallet in here? Oh, here it is. Perfect. Alright. Michael, cool. Alright. You still up there in Snohomish?
Yep.
The reason we're here, man, is because we care about you. We don't want you crashing, driving like that.
You're not responsible for my safety.
I am, because I have to come pick you up.
The Supreme Court has proven it, my man.
Okay.
You are not responsible for my safety. What about the cars?
Yeah, what about everybody else?
I didn't rip no paint off of no cars. What the fuck are you talking about? 100 miles an hour. No, not happening. What about those people? Prove it. I didn't do shit. Got it.
It's all on video, man.
You're the wrong guy.
The red jacket, the motorcycle, getting updates. I mean, it's right there, man.
You know how many MTO 7s there are?
Oh, there was only one going that fast.
I ride it with these 4 people riding it all from Kirkland. I didn't even come from Kirkland.
You said rider in red, wheels are red. Seems a lot like this competition right here.
He followed you all the way here.
Probably not there on the other. Trust me, Michael, we would rather be elsewhere too, man, but...
Ooh, send me on my way. Give me a ticket or whatever.
Oh, well, talk about that in a second.
That's my personal, that's
I know,
all
man.
paperwork and shit. Maybe
I know. I can't.
That is HIPAA violation right there, my man.
I'm not reading it. I'm just seeing what we got here. I'm going to put it back where it was, okay? We'll get you figured out here, man. It's all good. We just glad you didn't crash, dude.
Okay. Their dog food bag.
That's all right.
Where are we at right now? Exit number
Northeast 30th, man.
Exit 6, 405 South.
Yeah.
Yes. You can. You don't have an endorsement.
What's up?
I'm not talking to you guys.
Oh, okay.
I need to get on my phone so that I can call these motherfuckers and have them come pick up my bike.
Uh-oh. What's this? You say you didn't have any drugs.
Nah, man.
It's in your bag.
Nope.
Drug.
Boy.
What'd you say?
Lawyer.
Lawyer, all right. I agree. Multiple phones.
Work phones.
Fine.
I'm just a fucking taxpaying citizen out here fucking riding a motorcycle.
Who's primary?
Who's what?
I'll take it, yeah.
Badge number?
694? 694, thanks.
Fuck, kid, I'm going to birthday party tomorrow and shit.
All right.
Real, am I going to jail or am I you guys going to let you go after this?
We'll talk about it, Michael. But first thing, you help yourself out. Chill out, dude. Talk to us. All right, take a breath.
You guys just pull up on the fucking 60. I'm just getting gas.
Yeah.
It's a grinder.
I know, man. I know.
Just let me know, man.
First rodeo.
No, don't.
I know. Sorry, my bad. My bad. You haven't had any weed today?
Huh?
None at all?
No, I don't
Nothing?
smoke when I ride.
Any of that? Any?
No, I don't smoke when I ride.
Okay. PJ Torch. All right. Cool.
For real, can I get on my phone and call someone to come pick up my bike, please?
Who do you got coming?
Shit, I don't know. I'm going to put up the thing on my Facebook group.
No, I'm not doing that. If you got somebody in mind, we can call.
No.
Yeah, we'll call it.
Opportunity to get my shit.
We asked you a minute ago.
I'm not a Facebook post. I'm riding on that. Okay, so if you, the reason that it's zip tied up.
So I'll check the drive, but she's not high right now.
Look, at the bottom side.
Okay, so unfortunately, we're looking for, because of the Blake decision, do we have enough for intent to deliver? I don't see a scale. He had baggies.
Yeah.
So it looks like user stuff, so we're kind of screwed on that one. But I want to talk to him, make sure he's not high right now. There's a lot of weed out, smelling weed on him, talking to him. But we'll look at his pupils and stuff. I don't think we need to. I'm just going to take a look at his stuff. No, man, the reason we got to make sure you're not armed or something, and when I ask you about it, he kind of tensed up. So we're good. We're good now. Michael, can I look at it real quick, though, man? I just want to make sure. Michael, look up at me, please. That's fine. I'm not asking you questions. I just need you to look at me.
No.
What's up? Looking at you.
Okay, for what?
We'll make sure you're not high.
I'm not high.
Relax. Well, I don't know that, man. I can't trust you, unfortunately.
You can't trust me. I can't trust you. You told me. You out here killing people and shit.
Why?
Am I wrong?
Yes.
No.
Are you dead?
I'm not dead. Fortunately, I should have pulled my phone out.
Yeah, you're lucky you didn't kill yourself on the way here, man.
No, you, all police, bad apples. That's how you want to put it. No, I didn't say all cops are bad. No, I don't believe in all cops are bad. I believe that there is a vast misunderstanding in what your guys' job is. Killing everybody? That's what you said. No, I said you're out here killing people. Police in general, not you specifically, man. You're trying to twist my shit around.
No, I'm not. You said out here killing people. You said it again.
No,
I didn't think you say. I've never met you.
Say so?
You don't know me. Right?
Every day, police are killing people, bro. All across the country. Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, man. Act like I don't study this shit.
Okay.
Well, what about
I'd say far more people die in motorcycle crashes.
No. Incorrect. Incorrect.
It's statistically correct, man. I ride. I know how dangerous it is. When I ride, I'm like a
You gotta tell me
grandpa.
I got no feeling below my knee. I had to learn how to walk again. I
You
scratched
crashed?
my wrist last year.
What happened?
I was on my dirt bike when I was 18. For a long time.
For which one? The leg?
What?
The leg one or the wrist?
I was out in the field. I was out.
I mean, I crashed my bike twice, and
Here's the thing is, man, is if you really ride, you know it's not a matter of if you crash, but when and how bad.
Yeah, that's why I've done it twice.
Then what are you talking about?
I'm just saying, man, it doesn't take much. Like, I was going through an intersection at about 30 miles an hour. Car comes through. I grabbed the front brake. I grabbed too much. Threw me right over. I was down and out for a week, and I was only going about 30 miles an hour.
I went face first across the freeway at 65, minding my own business, because I was going to get off my exit and somebody rode right through me.
But that's what I'm saying, man. You got people...
You could be sitting at a stoplight and get rear-ended and killed.
But this is what I'm saying, man. You've got people out there... How smart do you think the average driver is? The average car... All right.
Whatever your rights are, man. I get my back in the bag. It didn't break or anything? No. I took it off because I have a fear. Oh, I still got it. Were you riding without the visor? Stop the helmet.
It's good.
Stop the helmet.
It's got like a little sunglass
in the
thing
back.
right here. It's got like a little sunglass protection.
Got it. Okay.
Michael, I'm putting your weed in your pipe back in your bag, okay, man? I'm taking the cocaine with me, though, okay?
Sir, I'm sorry about all this. We'll be out of the way soon, okay? All right. Thank you.
My bike picked up. I don't got no count. That's just gross. Like what you can't do? There's no fee. Why can't you sign me for days anymore? No, we have not. You said that we talked about it in a minute. I asked how I want to do. We talked about it. Pilot for 2. Okay? Pilot, selling bus lane, cars, 100 miles an hour. Using all lanes. Fast traffic. I'm what I asked that question. I want to do it. I'm asking. Okay, thank you. That's all I need. Where? Thank you. Normal upset. I get that. Of course, man. I gotta run up on it. Of course, you get upset too. You my homie. I'm going to tow it.
Yeah, I already called the tow.
Okay. Thanks, mate.
Yeah, no problem.
Are you good if I take? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
No, that's fine.
In there.
That's perfectly fine with me.
Are you doing a tow form? Is that what you're...
I can do that, yeah.
I can do it too.
No.
I'm going to scan him in.
You got enough to do, so...
Honestly, I was going to call the jail and see if they'll take him. I kind of doubt it.
He's got some other stuff going on.
Oh, does he? Okay.
He might have a warrant or something.
I don't think he's high, though. His eyes are red, but his pupils are totally normal. I got a little cocaine in that bag and then some weed, but I don't smell any weed talking to him, do you?
No, but I think if anything...
Patrol Stationair, Ethan, you just went to map of 28. What now? 6 foot. Blonde,
I mean, just how I just
hair,
he is and everything.
green shirt.
I don't know. He's not going to do fields or anything, though. It's hard to say. But,
we're just going to go with the reckless. I don't really see anything jumping out of me. I didn't feel him like twitching or anything. He was definitely tensed up when we tried to go to the escort. But.
Yeah. Okay, so he does not have any active warrants. He's recent felony, robbery 1, theft of a firearm.
Okay.
Protection order, yep, no warrants. But I think they'll take reckless.
Okay.
I thought they would.
Yeah, I'll call down and just see.
Okay.
So, take them on that.
Yeah.
Cool.
Let me back to go into traffic.
Cool.
If I do receive other mobile calls, go ahead. I'll do that.
Hey, Michael, I just got to take the hard glove off, okay? I'll sit up for me just a second. Thanks, man.
Yo, it's got a zipper and a strap.
Oh, thanks, man. Oh, there it is. Perfect. Yeah. Thanks, man. Okay. Cool. my ring? Where's my ring? Oh, your finger. Is it still in the glove? No. Let's look in the glove, man. Hold on. Did it come off? Did it still slip off? It could have. I'm not sure. I'd like to know. Wrong hand. Wrong hand. Right hand. Let's see. I don't think there's a ring in there. You got one on your left? I have one on my left. I need one on my right. Okay. I don't see one in here. Sorry, man. All right. Cool. Give us just a second. Come up and grab me up and fucking... Yep. Oh, there we go. Yeah. 694 South Drive, check.
694.
Icenhour, Ida Charles Edward, Nora Henry Ocean, Union Robert, Michael E. Edward.
E. Edward, 1992. Can you check with Union Falls, book on reckless?
209-206, but 200, Brown Brown, convicted felon robbery 1, theft of a firearm. Icenhour, 2024 expiration, two-wheel motorcycle endorsed.
694. He's in custody for reckless. You haven't already pulled the case number. 694 South. Can I get a property number for cocaine for destruction?
0694, Unit 4 advised. They will only book reckless if it's alcohol related.
694. Can you see if 204 can give him a call? Just waiting to see if 204 can call before I get him in here. And
okay, do you want me to tell the tow to hold off?
I
feel like we should tow it.
We should tow it. Yeah, we'll tow it. And I'll just drop him off across the street. Or you can walk from here. I don't care. We'll release him.
Sounds good. Does he live around here?
He's in Kent.
Okay.
Yeah, I got all his stuff here.
Okay.
So.
Cool. So you want me to go tell the tow to hook up?
I need the numbers for the Key County jail supervisor.
What was that?
You want me to go tell the tow to hook up the bike?
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, that's good. Thank you. Sorry, man. How's
it going? How you doing? I'm doing okay. What's your name? Ken, S-T-E-N. S-T-E-N, all right. Okay. I like to be thorough. Good. 5161. All right. So it's going to be that bike right there. And we're not good to go? No, I think it's good to go. I'll give it a once over just to make sure there's nothing funky. We'll take his time, I guess. So you want to take his time? Otherwise I can if you want. Nah, it's cool. Just pull up here. Make sure. I got the keys too, okay. So yeah, don't worry about that. Making sure it's unlocked. I was going to I would really appreciate it if I could get on my phone and have someone come pick it up. I got
where are they at?
in that bike. I don't want this dude touching my shit.
So we asked you earlier, didn't you say you didn't have anybody close?
I don't know. I'd have to get on my fucking messenger and hit it. Look.
Here's the thing, man. You're going so fast. Like, you can't drive like that. I know. I don't want to talk to you. You said you asked an attorney, but, like, unless they can be here in, like, 10 minutes, then it's just too long.
Cool, I can make that happen.
We've been sitting here for...
my phone. I'll make it happen.
We've already gone past that, though.
Then why didn't you let me do that when we started?
That's why I asked.
You told me to hold on and we figure it out.
Yeah, we're going to impound the bike, man. We're going to impound the bike. You can't... Yeah.
Am I going to jail?
Hold on one second. I'm trying to figure it out, man. Hold on. If you can chill out, maybe we can work with you.
I just asked him. I've been chilling the whole time.
Okay. Hold on.
He's 90 miles below 30, Charles 09356, Tom.
59-2011.
So, hey, Michael. Michael, do you have a friend that has an endorsement? That was the problem that Trooper Mason was asking you.
Right.
Because they have to have an endorsement to release to them.
If you let me get on my phone.
But do you have a name?
Nope, I have no idea.
So that's why I'm not going to take you out of handcuffs, you know, when you're under arrest. If you give me a name, we can call them.
Okay, but am I going to jail?
I'm trying to
pick a group and
on Facebook. Right? That's what you mentioned.
It's not on Facebook. It's on Messenger. We all personally know each other,
okay.
But I don't know where everybody is right now.
Okay. See, we want to get it out of the gas station for these guys, all right? I mean,
pull it in the corner. Pull it into the corner over there. It's out of the way.
So Michael, what I'm trying to decide, man, is if we can have a conversation here.
You can ask. I'm sorry, I forgot your Daniel. Daniel. Yeah. You can ask Daniel. I've been chill this whole time that you've been sitting in the car.
Okay. Well, I'm working, man. I'm not just sitting there throwing it up.
I'm saying is obviously there's a lot of tension when you come rolling up on me and squad up and fucking wrap me up. Like, obviously, I'm going to be fucking, you know what I'm saying, tense.
And we're good now.
And so, okay,
I just want to make sure you didn't have any
I need to chill and all this. Like, me and him have been chilling. Okay. Me and him been chilling.
All I'm doing is trying to explain the bike, man. Trying to explain the bike thing situation to you. That's all. We can't release it to just anybody. We have to know they have a license and they have endorsement.
Exactly. So I can call somebody that has a license.
So you're not even able to give me a name of like a friend?
I don't know yet. That's the whole point. Okay. I'm trying to figure it out.
Okay. Well, I'm trying to figure out if we're going to take you to jail tonight or not. So, do you have somebody that can come pick you up here if we were to release you? Oh, fine.
My music is turned on. I can't even hear you.
Oh, in your earbuds? Can I help you? There you go. There you go. Do you have both? Just one?
Yeah, both.
Hold on, let me put this in. In the case. I'll put it in the case.
Yes.
Yeah, I saw it.
$200 headphone.
I know. Nope, shit. I'm going to put it in this case. I'm not sure where that case went.
I appreciate it if you can find out.
It's in there.
Yeah, like I said, that's $200.
Yeah, we put it in there. Oh, there.
He's still running through the field.
Lisa does?
Yeah.
He's already said no to it.
Yeah, I know. So.
No.
Okay.
We can't.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know. Am I missing something? I don't think so.
Yeah. I already let her know. Yeah.
It's in there, man. All right. I'm just going to put them in here. Sure, it's in here. There you go, right? Thanks. What's that?
What happened next?
Well, give me a second more, man. I'm not just chilling my thumbs in the car, okay? I got to figure out what's going on. I just don't want you to drive like that again, man. That's all. That's my big thing. So if I don't have to take you to jail, and you can promise me that this is the last time that happens, then I can just give you a court date and we'll call it good.
Sweet.
Can we do that?
Like I said, man, my girlfriend's 30th birthday was yesterday. The party's tomorrow. I just spent $300 on a cake.
I gotcha.
I don't want to be in jail and miss that shit.
No, I don't either. But I also don't want you going to the morgue either, okay?
Hey, listen, man, I had my bike ready to die, okay?
Okay, well, that's like he said, though, everybody else, you know?
You got to accept the fact that you can get killed in a stoplight.
I know. That's true.
Down to 65, case first across the street.
We've all seen it happen. Hold on, brother. Hold on. Matt, I'll call Sergeant Mosley.
What?
I'm going to call Sergeant Mosley. You already talked to her?
I sent her a message and said he's already lawyered up and everything.
Yeah, I don't think he's high. He had cocaine way deep in his pocket, in his bag, but...
Yeah, she messaged me. I'll see what she had to say.
Okay. I'll call her right now. Hey, Sarge, how's it going? Hey, just FYI, Cobain's running. So yeah, we've got Michael here in custody. Yeah, you can get they won't take him unless he's high. Okay, okay. Sure. Follow them. Okay. If it's a problem, we were impounding the bike, and I think we can I'd be okay if you're okay with it, just cutting him loose and citing him and releasing him. He didn't have a weapon on him or anything, so if that's easier, instead of making it a big thing, we can just do that. Oh, sure. Okay. Sounds good. All right. Appreciate that. Thanks for checking on that. All right. Bye-bye. 694. Sorry about this, sir. I didn't mean to cause a hoopla for you. Thanks, sir. Appreciate you. Grab a few photos real quick. Thank you, sir. Did they get you everything you need, sir?
Yeah, he wanted to hang for a minute.
Oh, the trooper did?
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
cool. Thanks. Okay, thank you. Michael, just waiting to hear back from my starter to see how they want to proceed, okay? You all right? All right, hold on. Been worse, all right.
Also, all of our units were unable to locate the pedestrian.
look, everybody.
Yeah. It's in here, man. I got it.
21.
They're just waiting to hear back from Unit 4 at this point, so.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks for doing that.
Yeah, no problem. Do you mind if I take off?
Yeah, of course.
Sorry,
Absolutely.
Gotta get to Trader Joe's before they close.
Oh, dude, yeah, thanks for all your help, man. Sorry to make you do a tow from. I realized I could have just done it, so.
Easy peasy. All right, I'll be back. Well, it'll probably be settled by the time I'm.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, if they won't take, I'll just cut them loose.
Okay.
And got his bike off the roadway, and so.
Yeah.
I'll write him a ticket for the license plate and call it good. So.
All right. Good.
Yeah, thanks for all your help, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate it. We'll see ya. All right, Michael. Hey, Michael.
Yeah.
So, hey, man, I got good news for you from my sergeant. Yeah. She gave me the go-ahead to cut you loose.
Fantastic.
But dude, you gotta just be safe out here, man.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay,
But okay.
that's fine. Okay. I'm trying to cut you loose,
I'm
right?
always safe.
Okay.
I'm
Well, you
always
weren't today. So, hear me out, man. So here's, like getting impounded.
Perspective, sir.
I got you. Just don't put other people at risk. That's all I have.
Don't put those.
Here's your tow form.
A giant steel cage.
Michael, you're just trying to release you, right?
I know, I
And not
understand.
book you on your...
No, I'm not trying to be aggressive or be a dick. I'm literally just saying, like, you see that? I have no protection. Who am I endangering?
We do crashes on the highway. How many motorcycle fatalities do you think I've personally...
You know how many friends I've had that have died from motorcycle fatalities?
They hurt other people.
They do.
They do. I've
Very
seen up
rarely.
close it for...
If they're doing like 110 into their door,
You're trying to
maybe.
catch your break and you're being an asshole.
I'm not being an ass. I literally just said I'm not trying to be a dick. I'm not trying to be aggressive. I was just saying, like,
him and you're directing him.
I'm
You're
sorry.
always right.
Please continue.
You're good, man. So here's the thing, man. So I'm going to take your cocaine. We're just going to throw it away. We're going to leave it at that, okay? Marijuana, put back in your bag, your pipe, all that stuff. You can't be rolling down the road with the marijuana or the cocaine, okay? Leave that stuff alone. Only thing I'm writing you today is a ticket for the plate, okay? Get that. Just gotta have it bent so it's flat and legible.
Yeah,
okay?
I understand.
Sounds like somebody talked to you about that already, like another.
Yeah, no, I had a picture ticket,
Okay.
and that's what I was explaining to the dude. Is that the reason that it's up there like that is because I had it hanging, but my suspension is soft. So if I hit a bump, you can look at it. The bottom side has already been folded, and I had to straighten it back out. See what I'm saying? You good to go?
Yeah. Oh, sir. Yeah. So, okay, well, just with the ticket. Look at me, I'm still talking to you. Hold on.
Sorry, I thought we were going to do this, man.
I'm gonna get you loose here in just a second.
I'm going to do $500 to drop my shit off that truck right now.
Do you have somebody come pick you up?
No.
You have your phones and you can't call somebody?
Oh, yeah, you give me my phone.
I'm going to give you all your stuff back, man.
Yeah,
all your stuff back. Other than the cocaine, that's the only thing I'm taking with me.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, but okay.
Of course. So, yeah, just make sure you're responding to the King County Court within 15 days. Okay, here's the tow form with the Baker Stone and stuff like that. Okay? All your stuff's done. Cool?
Fantastic. Thank you.
All right, man. And your earbuds are in the black case. I couldn't find the little ones in there somewhere.
Yeah.
You saw me put it in there, so. All right, man. Okay. Any questions on that? So you'll probably be hearing from the prosecutor's office. Is that address still current, the one on your license, where you get your mail?
Been there 20 years.
Cool. All right. Is that your All right. Any questions from here's all your stuff, buddy. All right, there you go, man.
Thank you.
Yep.
Take care. You got my bag?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Thanks, man. That's the one. It's got all your phones in there and your wallets in there. You want to just real quick take an inventory, make sure I got it all? Your money's in there. And all your weeds and stuff, and the pipes back in the bag.
Yep.
All right, man. Be safe, okay? All right.
That's what I'm trying to explain.
Yeah, what's up?
Is people on motorcycles get into trouble when they're right outside of their skill level. You know what I'm saying?
I know.
Newbies get on their bike and they want to do 150 and all this shit.
And then they wipe out.
25 years, man.
Yeah.
What is dangerous to somebody else is not dangerous to me. See what I'm saying?
I got you.
And I was,
zippers up.
I was looking at that when I was in Cubs. I'm like, fuck, man.
Yeah, dude. I hear you, man.
Just like I said, man, if I came running up on you with my boys and came grab you up, you know what I'm saying?
No, we're good, man. I get it.
A certain type of way.
I totally get it, man. I totally get it.
You guys came rolling up, grab me and all this shit. You know what I mean?
Never met you before.
Okay, but I've never met you either.
Of course.
So then why am I gonna be like, oh, okay, sure.
Well, for the police, you should probably just go with the flow. It's all good.
Nothing. Police illegally arrest people all the time. Illegal detention.
I got you.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, I just want to make sure you didn't have any weapons. Which we
I had no
figured out.
weapons.
Of course.
And I stated that to you, right?
And we're cool.
No weapons, no ill will, and no ill intent.
And no problem.
Okay.
No problem. And you're not going to jail.
That's fantastic.
But I do care about you. I want you to slow down because other people do get killed from motorcycle crashes. Believe it or not.
I got you.
All right, man. Be safe, okay, man? For real.
Yeah.
We'll see ya. I kind of hope not, too. See you, Michael. Check her drive. I'm sure she's not high right now.
Look, at the bottom side.
No, I know. I have bikes too.
Okay, so unfortunately, we're looking for, because of the Blake decision, do we have enough for intent to deliver? I don't see a scale. He had baggies.
Yeah.
But it looks like user stuff, so we're kind of screwed on that one. But I want to talk to him, make sure he's not high right now. There's a lot of weed on him, talking to him. But we'll look at his pupils and stuff. I don't think we need to. I'm just going to take a look at his stuff. No, man, the reason we got to make sure you're not armed or something, and when I ask you about it, he kind of tensed up. So we're good. We're good now. Michael, can I look at it real quick, though, man? I just want to make sure. Michael, look up at me, please. That's fine. I'm not asking you questions. I just need you to look at me.
No. What's up?
Looking at you.
Okay,
Chill
for
out.
what?
Make sure you're not high.
I'm not high.
Relax. Well, I don't know that, man. I can't trust you, unfortunately. So we don't have anything for intent to deliver. I don't. So I'm worried about, I don't know any weed on him. He's all pissed off, but so with the cocaine, we're looking for like blowing up people. I didn't say all cops are bad. Normal, right? Guys are red. So we'll it's legal now. Yeah, they'll pitch it in jail. So I'll put it back in this bag, and then we'll take the cocaine, and like all this stuff, this paraphernalia. So we'll take that. Yeah, he can. Which is probably what we'll do. So. Just kind of organize what needs to go with and what doesn't.
No, it's not a matter of getting bad. We have how bad.
That's why I've done it twice. About the same, man. Down and out for a week, and I was only going about 30 miles an hour.
I went to pay for some 65.
I don't think he's high. He don't smell like weed talks to me. They're red, but his pupils are white. Oh, the visor's in there.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
What happened?
Oh, no. Hey, Michael, what happened to your visor, man? Did it? I know it's in the bag. It didn't break or anything?
No, I took it off because I have it here.
No, you're cool, man. I slipped it in your bag.
It's not a. Were you riding without the visor? Listen, if you'll let me show you, slide that button down. No, on the top of the helmet.
It's good. It's in the
top of the helmet.
it's in the bag.